What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do another product review. This one's going to be a UFO LED high bay light. These are awesome for garages and shops. I got one sent out to me by an Amazon company, CHMLT. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box below. This is an 150 watt LED light. So let's go ahead, open up the box and see what we got here. Alright, so as soon as we open up the box, got some nice foam packing material. We got a nice steel hook here, O-ring, that mounts to the top of this light. You guys can see here's the light. Go ahead and pull this out. Once again, packaged real nice. Here's your installation, instructions on how to set it up. It's going to be real simple. We don't need those. Go ahead and put the box off to the side. That's what the light's going to look like. Now this is 150 watt, but this is supposed to produce over 22,000 lumens. Go ahead, pull that plastic off there. That's a beast of a light there. These are 3030 chips in here, LED chips. It's got a 6-foot cord, so you got more than enough cord there to reach your outlet. It's got a safety strap here, just in case it was to fall. And then this ring just goes in the top, screws down. And then on the side there, it's got a nice little locking screw to lock this mount in place. So real simple, easy to use. Go ahead and take a quick measurement here. This is about 13 inches in diameter. And then as you guys can see there, real low profile. I'm just going to go over some of the features real quick. It's got a 120-degree beam angle. This is rated at 22,500 lumens, but it's 150 watts. The color temperature of the LEDs is 5000 K, so it's going to give you that nice white bright light. So this has got 224 LEDs in here, and they are the 3030 LED chips. This has got like a plastic cover over it to protect the chips. This is water resistant. It's rated at IP65. Super easy to install. You can find this on Amazon. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description box below. Right now, this is going for $59.99. And this light does come with a 5-year warranty. So let's go ahead. I'm going to set this up in my garage and we're going to see how bright this thing is. Alright guys, so I got it just hanging on a hook up there in the corner of my garage. As you guys can see, it's for temporary purposes to test it out. But if you look around my garage, I got a bunch of LED lighting in here. I got some lights over there. I got a light right above here. Some lights here. So I got a lot of lighting in my garage. I like it nice and bright. So one more time, that's my normal garage lights. I'll go ahead and turn off the front. Go ahead and turn off these back lights, pitch dark, and then I'll put on the UFO light, and there you go. So this is pretty bright, throws off a lot of light here. I don't think the positioning of that light is doing it justice. Alright guys, I went ahead and repositioned the light a little bit lower here. So we're going to do the same test again. Go ahead, plug it in. Lights off. There you go. So you can see how bright it is. This thing is really, really bright. You probably could use maybe 2 of these, and this is a 2.5 car garage. You probably could use 2 of these. 4 I think would be overkill maybe. But yeah, you could probably use 2 of these, center them right in the middle of your garage. Especially if you got higher ceilings, they're really going to spread out the light a lot with some higher ceilings. Unfortunately, my ceilings, my beams are a little bit lower. I got storage up top there, so it kind of blocks the light a little bit. But I mean, you guys can tell this is super, super bright. A lot brighter than what the lights in my garage currently are. So I go ahead and unplug this. So you can see, like these backlights that I have here, not nearly as bright. You go ahead and plug this in, and I just, look at this. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's super bright. You can see everything. Real nice light. Alright guys, so I got the light underneath my gazebo here. As you guys can see, I think it's a little bit better example of how much light that this UFO bay light gives off. I mean, it's really lighting up underneath my gazebo here in the pitch dark. So I think this might be a little bit better example of the performance of this light. Here's a little closer look. You guys can see I got the bay light up there in the middle of the gazebo. Just tons of light it's giving off there. Real nice white light. It's real clear. And if you look out there, you can see how dark my backyard is. So real nice light. Like it a lot. Alright guys, so there you go. Demonstration and review of this UFO high bay LED light. This is the 150 watt version. They do have other versions, some that are lower wattage, and I think they go all the way up to 200 watts. So let me know what you guys think about this light in the comments below. If you guys are interested in this light or more information on this light, I'll put a link in the description box. Go ahead and use that link. It's an Amazon link. You can find out more about this light or even purchase this light. If you guys found this video useful, go ahead, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you later.